Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to set up Einstein Copilot and also how to create a flow and use that in the Copilot action. The first setup is we have to go to Einstein setup in Salesforce setup, and then we have to turn on Einstein. Once this is enabled, we have to go to Einstein Copilot Studio in Salesforce setup. You have to go to Einstein Copilots in the Salesforce setup, and then we have to toggle on this Einstein Copilot for Salesforce. Once this is enabled, it will create this Einstein Copilot. I created a simple flow here, auto launched flow. I am using str prompt as an input variable. So whatever the users types in the Einstein Copilot screen will be stored in this str prompt. And I have list knowledge variable. This is a list of knowledge records, and this is available for output. Once the flow executes, it will return the output, the list of knowledge article, so that it can be displayed in the Einstein Copilot user interface. So this is a simple flow with one input variable, one output variable, and then I am querying knowledge articles using get records element, and I'm checking title contains the value whatever they have entered. Next, go to Einstein Copilot Actions in Salesforce setup, click new Copilot action, and then you have to create it. When you create it, you should be able to select the flow, and then you will be able to configure all this setup. The important thing here is Copilot action instructions. So here you have to enter a proper instruction so that the Copilot and the artificial intelligence model whatever built behind the screen can understand. Next, here also in the input and output variable also you have to mention what is the purpose of this input variable and what is the purpose of this output variable, so that the model can easily understand and then display it accordingly. Next, open the Einstein Copilot, use open in builder, and then you have to add the Copilot action which you created. So these are all the existing action, and this is the one which I created using the flow. Let's test this. So for example, I wanted to see this knowledge article. So I'm going to use my Einstein Copilot. So I'm typing request new password knowledge article. So the Einstein Copilot will now execute. First it will check what action will suit, and then now it will run my flow, and then it will return my knowledge article. So it is returning the ID, title and summary. In my flow I am returning ID, title and summary. If you wanted to return more fields, for example if you have some custom fields, then you have to click add field, and then you have to add all the fields that the Copilot should return. This is a simple example. If you have complex requirements, you can call apex, or you can also call again flow, and then you can return the data and display it to your users. This is a simple example. Um this particular copilot is very powerful. For example, if you wanted to find the top three account records, then it will make use of the actions that are available here, and then it will display the top account records. So these are all the top three account records in my org. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get the sample flow reference, and also the permission set groups that should be assigned to an admin, and also to the users who wants to use this Einstein Copilot feature. It's not a free feature, so there are some permission sets which will come after buying the license. So once you get the license, you will be able to see those permission sets, and then you have to assign it to the admin and also to the users. I have given the name and the purpose of those permission set groups. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.